Why do clinical trials need a follow-up period? Imagine completing a big project and then checking in later to see how everything turned out. That's what a follow-up period is in a clinical trial. It's like a check-in after the main work is done. When you join a trial, the study doesn't just end when the main testing phase finishes. The follow-up period is a crucial part of the patient journey in trials and post-trial life. It helps researchers see how you're doing over time and whether the treatment continues to work or causes any problems. Long-term follow-up means watching patients after the initial study ends. This can last from 1 year to even several decades, depending on the treatment and condition. During this time, researchers keep collecting data about your health, side effects, and how well the treatment is holding up. It's like a health report card that keeps getting updated. This ongoing monitoring is essential because some effects of treatments don't show up right away. You might feel fine at first, but problems could develop months or years later. Late-onset side effects are a big reason for follow-up. Some adverse reactions or health risks only appear long after the treatment. If researchers stop tracking you too soon, they might miss these delayed effects. Knowing about these risks helps protect future patients and guides doctors on how to use the treatment safely. Follow-up also confirms if the benefits of a treatment last. For example, a medication might improve your condition in the first few months, but does that improvement stay after a year or two? Regular check-ins, like blood tests or health assessments, help answer that question. Safety is another key reason for follow-up. If any problems or complications develop after the main treatment, researchers need to catch them early. This ongoing safety check helps protect you and others from unexpected harms. Sometimes, serious side effects are rare and only show up after many people have used the treatment. Follow-up makes sure these issues are identified and addressed. Once a treatment gets approved and is used in everyday life, follow-up data becomes even more important. It shows how the treatment performs in real-world conditions, where people have different lifestyles and health issues. During a trial, everything is carefully controlled, but real life is messier. Follow-up helps see if the treatment still works well when used by diverse patients outside the clinical setting. Getting involved in follow-up usually means giving your consent again. You might have regular visits, phone calls, or even reviews of your medical records. Sometimes, data can be collected from health databases, which makes it easier for you. Keeping track of participants over many years can be challenging for research teams. They need ongoing funding, staff, and systems to stay connected with you. If these aren't maintained, it can be hard to find and follow up with everyone later. But despite these challenges, follow-up is vital. It helps catch beneficial effects that only show up over time and detects any hidden risks. For you as a patient, understanding that your participation might extend beyond the initial trial helps you make informed choices. It's about making sure the treatments are safe and effective before they reach the wider public and continue to be monitored afterward. Your involvement in follow-up contributes to a better understanding of how treatments work throughout your life and beyond.